Hey, I'm Fish. Oh man, it's like a winter wonderland walking on ice. Yeah, the weatherman really predicted this 6+ inches here. More like 2+ inches. And yeah, it came down wet and heavy and it's frozen up already. I don't know if I'm gonna get around the two walking in, but at least I get some walking going. Slow that is. I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the regular lens protector. The last video was the Action 4 and the Action 5 Pro and black mist filter. I wanted to see if the Action 4 held up to its name, did better job than the Action 5 Pro did, for sure. At least this snow's soft to walk on. Man, there's a big difference between crunchy and softness. So the Action 5 Pro, you got a whole group, a lot of people, well, they're not happy. And yeah, the official firmware became official a while ago, and I have yet to load it up. I don't think a camera needs to have vivid inside. It needs more to have priority, aperture, manual, things like that. You want color profiles to the camera so you can pick and choose, or wouldn't you want something that DSLR has to make a better camera? That's what I would want. I would have wanted to see a firework mode, a scene mode, a aperture mode, a priority mode, a shutter priority mode, then vivid and neutral. I keep to the regular video mode and I shoot. And the funny thing is, I asked DJI Action 1, Action 3, Action 4, and even the Action 5 for video mode timer. We got it in photo. We got it added in photo on the Action 1. And it was put into the Action 3, the Action 4, the Action 5. I don't take the Action 2 as part of the Action series. Weather. I got emergency. Look at that. Weather.
It's currently cloudy and 19 degrees.
Ooh, yeah, man. 19 and lower. That's great. And that's not with the wind chill or the coldness. Yeah, 19 is great. I'm walking a little off of the beaten path for the reasons of not slippery. Everything over there is icy and slippery. Oh yeah, man. I remember waking up in the snow. Oh yeah, cold as can be in a sleeping bag out in the woods. Oh, that was a fun day I had. Well, it's a short vlog indeed for sure. I gotta do some meeting with Joe, take care of business and get on going. Walk over here, clean. This way I could do my natural pace and get on going. Oh yeah, man, sidewalks are slippery. A lot of people don't clean. And a DJI Action 5 Pro. First time in the snow, like so. And off we go. Have a good one. I'll see you on another video down the road.